Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to answer or reject phone call in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now I'll show you how to answer a phone call. Now to answer this phone call, you have to just touch and swipe right this green answering icon. And you can see that will answer the phone call. Now I'll show you how to reject a phone call. Now to reject the phone call, you have to just touch and swipe right this red icon. And you can see that will reject the phone call. You can also answer or reject a phone call using your volume key and power key. At first you have to enable this option. Just open up your phone app and then tap on three dots. Then go to settings option. From here just go to answering and ending calls. And that's it. From here you have to enable these two options. Press volume up to answer call and another is press side button to end calls. And that's it. And that is how you can answer or reject a phone call in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.